Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing great today. I have this really amazing collection from Notpolish to share with you guys. This is the Choclit bar collection by them, and they did release it for Valentine's Day. It is still available for purchase on their website, and it is the perfect nude acrylic palette, and I can't wait to swatch it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's just go ahead and unbox this really quickly so that we can get into the swatches. So I already opened this part up, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is the first time I'm actually seeing this in person, guys. Oh my gosh, this is huge. This is ridiculous. It's literally like a bar of freaking chocolates. Oh my gosh. So one thing I appreciate when it comes to buying nail supplies is a really cute packaging. Heck, I buy stuff just because of the way that it's packaged most times. But whoever was in charge of this release for this collection for Notpolish did their thing, guys. Oh my gosh. It not only looks like a freaking big bar of chocolate. I mean, I love chocolate, so you know, had to. But it does have the chocolate bar written on top of it. Depending on how the light hits it is when you're going to catch the name of it. Of course, the Notpolish logo. But my favorite part about this packaging are the freaking drops on the side. Oh my god. Chocolate drips, y'all. Chocolate drips. Now this packaging is really sturdy, and I love displaying stuff like this. So this box is strong. You do have two magnetic flaps on the side that will hold this box together. And then when you open it up, there's a card with the swatches and names of each color that is included inside of this kit, from the lightest shade to the darkest shade. And if I tell you guys, I don't have anything like this in my acrylic set. Like, I've been doing nails for so long, and I've always wanted to do, you know, those different shades of brown tips, whether it's French or ombre, but I never had the actual colors to do it with. And now I do. Now your girl does. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get into these, y'all. I can't wait to swatch these. Ugh, especially double fudge. Double fudge looks so good. I love a good fudge chocolate, so I think that's probably why. So let's go ahead and open these up. Oh my gosh. Can y'all just take a minute to appreciate this? Like, now in this collection you do get 6 2-ounce jars of their 2-in-1 acrylic powders. So they come with full-size jars. So the first color that I'm going to swatch for you guys is called Coconut Cream, and I am swatching them in the order that they appear inside of the box, from the lightest to the darkest, only because I'm really excited to try those darker shades, because I don't have any colors like that at all in my acrylic collection. To do my swatches today, I am using my 𝗂𝕗𝕗𝕗 Crystal Dapping Dish, and I absolutely love this dapping dish, guys, not only because it's cute, but it does mask the smell of monomer once that lid is on. I'm also using my Notpolish liquid monomer because I like using the same brand of acrylic liquid with the powder that I'm using, and because I have a newborn and I don't want him inhaling that strong acrylic smell. Not that the Notpolish liquid is strong, but I'm going to use the Notpolish neutralizer because it is freaking amazing. I've been using this all throughout my pregnancy because I couldn't stand the monomer smell, so I will definitely recommend it. It does work. And to do the actual swatches, I am using my 𝗂𝕗𝕗𝕗 size 12 acrylic brush. I did go ahead and pinch mine, so I will have everything that I'm using in today's video listed and linked in my description box, as well as my discount codes, so go ahead and check it out. So again, the first color that we'll be swatching is called Coconut Cream, and this is what that looks like. It is a really pretty light nude. I thought it would have been lighter than this though, like compared to the actual powder. You never know the true color of an acrylic until you swatch it, and I am swatching every single color on my clear pop sticks, so that way we can see how opaque these colors are. And I must say, y'all, this color is so sexy. Like, oh my gosh. I thought that it would have been way too light, and I would not have liked it because I don't like when an acrylic is too light. But I love the shade. Like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So next up, I'm going to swatch peanut butter mousse. This color looks so creamy. And this color is so beautiful. I absolutely love this color, guys. This collection is just speaking to me. It's speaking to my heart. It's speaking to my inner melanin. I love this color. I really do love this color. It's so sweet. Literally. Now, I did pick up way too much liquid in my brush for that last bead, so that was not on the product, that was actually on me. I should have drained the extra liquid out of my brush because I picked up enough liquid in my brush for a medium-sized bead, but I picked up a small bead. So the next color that I'm going to swatch for you guys is called Sea Salt Caramel. So this is what that looks like, and oh my gosh, this looks like the perfect shade of nude. I think this color so far is my favorite because this is the shade of nude that I like on myself. So I can definitely see myself using this one really soon. Now, in terms of purchasing these, you can purchase them individually. So if you find a few favorite colors or a favorite color that you like, you can definitely do that. You can also purchase it as the entire acrylic collection, which I'm swatching for you guys right now. There is also the option where you can just order your gel polishes, the duos where you get your nail lacquer and your gel polish, as well as the 3-0 set where you can get the nail lacquer, your gel polish, as well as the acrylic powder in this particular chocolate bar collection. So you have many different options of purchasing, and I will have everything including my discount code for Notpolish. If you're interested in purchasing any of the colors that you see in today's video, definitely use my 10% off coupon code to save yourself an additional percentage off your purchase. So we are getting into the 3 darker shades of this collection. This one is called Pecan Crunch. I don't know what Pecan Crunch is. Maybe somebody can tell me what Pecan Crunch is because that's the first time I'm hearing about it. But the names of these are so cute. And guys, before you open any acrylic powder, if it's sealed, definitely go ahead and tap the top of it because you don't want to waste your product. I clearly did not take my own advice. So this is what that one looks like. This color is unusual but nice. I must say, it's surprising. It's not too dark, but it's not too light. It's just like that perfect brown color, and it is really opaque. As you guys can see, all the colors that I've swatched so far are really opaque. Even the lighter shades, the coverage is chef's kiss. And if you guys are hearing Tahir is up, he actually woke up while I was doing my voiceover, so we have a little guest in our video today. Next up, we have Double Fudge, and this is the color that I told you guys I was really excited to swatch because it just looks so creamy and so rich on the swatch card. But then again, you can never really tell because that was not on a clear background. So that is why I choose to swatch. I do all my swatches on clear swatch sticks just because I want to make sure that it's nice and opaque and to see the coverage of whether it's gel polish or acrylic powders in this case. This color though, let's take a minute to respect Double Fudge. She is sexy. Oh my gosh, I know I said that about coconut cream, but she is it. She is definitely it. Now again, I did pick up too much acrylic liquid with my brush, so this is me just working that product, and I worked this bead all the way down to the free edge of that swatch stick, guys, and it was full coverage. I just removed the excess. Like, and I had enough time to play with these colors, enough time to mold it into shape, enough time to put this acrylic where I want it without it drying too quickly. And that is one thing I appreciate about a good quality acrylic powder, is the fact that I don't have to rush behind that bead. Because I live in a hot climate, I do appreciate the fact that I can take my time and work with a product and not have to worry or stress about it setting too quickly. So the last color that I'm going to swatch for you guys is called Chocolate Espresso, and this is the darkest shade in this set. So if you have made it to this point of the video, definitely tell me which one of these colors are your favorite, which one you're planning to get, or which ones you're planning to get. And for all my chocolate lovers, go ahead and add a chocolate bar emoji with that comment in the comment section down below. Ooh, and I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it, guys. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Guys, I absolutely love this color. It's like a true rich chocolate brown. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely have nothing like this in my acrylic collection. I am so appreciative and I feel so blessed to be able to share this collection with you guys. Now, after all the colors have been dried, I'm going to give you a close-up of what all the swatches look like, so you can see the color range in this palette that Notpolish has put together for us. It is phenomenal. Now, I must say the blend on these are absolutely amazing because they blend seamlessly from one bead to another one. You can never see where it actually transitions. This is a darker shade. I'm not seeing any spots of pigment inside of these brown acrylics. I'm not seeing any marbling or anything like that. It's just perfection. So here are all these swatches of the entire chocolate bar collection by Notpolish. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was short and sweet, but I do have a whole lot of Notpolish acrylic powders as well as 𝕗𝕗𝕗𝕚 acrylic powders that I have not swatched yet. So if you guys want a swatch party, definitely go ahead and tell me in the comment section down below. I love watching swatches because it does help me to make up my mind when it comes to buying certain products and certain acrylic powders or gel polishes, just so that I can get an idea of what the actual color looks like, because sometimes on the website it tricks you. Basically, that's just what it does. It fools you into thinking you're getting one color and it turns out to be something else. So that is it for me. As always, I would love you guys to stay glamorous, and I'll see you in the next one.